Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four here from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for November 5th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see equities close mixed today. The Dow was up nicely, up 190 points today. The S&P managed to gain 15 points, but the Nasdaq was down 28 points, and the Russell was virtually flat, giving up about half a point today. Now, bonds were slightly higher. That took the yield on the 10-year note down a notch. It is at 3.20%. Crude oil edged lower again, losing 45 cents or about 3/4 of a percentage point. This after Trump slaps more sanctions on Iran. Market didn't like that. And gold was flat, losing about 30 cents or so at the official close. The dollar index, you can see, was higher earlier in the session, finished slightly lower, but not a big difference at all. Now, we are on the on the eve of the midterm elections, and it's interesting. No matter which party you will be voting for or which way you think this election is going to go, history tells us that no matter what, we should see a positive outcome for the markets. If you go back to 1946 and look at the 18 midterm elections that have happened since then, in the year following those midterm elections, that 12-month period following the elections, every single time, so 100% of the time in those 18 years, we've seen the markets move higher by an average of 17% in that 12-month period. So will this trend continue, or is this the year that changes everything? That's yet to be seen, and we'll certainly look at that after the elections. Once we see the results, we'll take a close look at the charts and try to decide what we can expect. But it certainly will be interesting no matter what. So tomorrow, I would expect a fairly quiet day throughout the day tomorrow. And then once we get those results in the evenings, keep an eye on the futures market, and we'll see what the market starts to think of those election results. Okay, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.